Been a day of big developments.
If you have any symptoms at all, assume it's COVID-19 and go home and stay there for 14 days.
First tonight on Eyewitness News at 6 and live on the Channel 3 streaming news app, the number of confirmed coronavirus cases officially has topped 1,000 in our state. Test results show 1,012 positive lab tests for COVID-19 across Connecticut. 125 people have been hospitalized for it, and 21 Connecticut residents have died from the virus. Here's the state map showing the number of cases in each of the 8 counties, and you can see Fairfield with 607 is clearly leading the way. New Haven and Hartford counties also have high number of cases as well. Tonight's team coverage begins at the state capitol with Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Matthew Campbell, who was there when the governor and our 2 U.S. senators briefed reporters. Matthew?
Yeah, Dennis, you know, the overall numbers in our state, they're up, but the daily numbers are down. And that's also because the daily testing numbers are down as well. And today we learned that lack of testing, or the decline in testing, really could be our future going forward. Now, when that was announced, a lot of people were very upset. They're wondering why, at a time when testing is so crucial, we're slowing it down. The state says testing will decline because of a lack of medical equipment for the workers who administer the tests. Now, this cry for help has been made for more than a week now, even as universities and businesses have donated masks. Even though people have been making homemade masks, it seems like it's just not enough. The N95 masks are in short supply, and this is the consequence. Since testing will be limited, we asked what it's going to now take for someone to qualify. The governor says the priority will be for healthcare workers, especially those on the front lines. Then for those whose symptoms require hospitalization. So the previous guidance of anyone can get tested, that does not apply in Connecticut anymore. Since for the majority of us, the symptoms will resemble the flu, the new guidance is just to ride it out at home, and the state is also getting more aggressive when it comes to social distancing.
You know, before we had said 50, but use your common sense. I'm going to be stricter than that. No more than 5 people in a social gathering, and less than that if you possibly can. This is really important because even though young people are much less likely to have a severe condition from COVID, you're just as likely to pass it along either at home or to, older folks. Our store limits and the such are still going to be no more than 50 in those bigger stores. Everybody else, I'm really proud to see at our grocery stores, for example, people are waiting outside, separated by 6 feet, waiting to go in.
Also, new information on the federal stimulus bill. A lot of people wanted to know, when are we going to see the money? Senators Blumenthal and Murphy say it should come in about 3 weeks. Also, those on Social Security will qualify for a check. Much more on that. But for now, that is the latest. Live at the Capitol, Matthew Campbell, Channel 3 News.